Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC, and we're here at the GPU Technology Conference in San Jose, and I'm here with Tom Coull from Penguin Computing. How are you doing today, Tom?
Good, Rich. How are you?
Well, great. It's good to be here. I wanted to start at the beginning, Tom. Who is Penguin Computing, and who do you help?
Well, Penguin is a 15-year-old company. We've been involved in Linux servers and workstations for quite a while, really since it became popular. And we started in high-performance computing in 2003 by bringing in the Skilled company, which is our software stack for HPC clusters. And within the last couple of years, we've really expanded out into the enterprise. So now about half of our business is high-performance computing, the other half is dealing with large data center enterprise installations.
Okay, so you guys are known for your HPC solutions. How do the enterprise machines, how do they look different?
Well, in many ways they don't. You know, if you're dealing with big data, that's kind of on the blur between high-performance computing and enterprise data center. But we actually do a lot of just standard storage environments, as well as servers that run email clients, for example. So we have a lot of cloud products now that are moving into the enterprise. So we've really broadened kind of the range of our servers. They're not all just rack mount anymore. Sometimes we just deliver a whole bunch of servers to a data center and then integrate them in place.
Okay, so you brought up the cloud. Now, I knew you guys from Penguin On Demand. I understand you've expanded that offering recently.
We have. What we did is we took the software bits that we built on OpenStack, which runs our cloud product, and we made those a product that our customers could buy. So you can buy it either as a software stack, which is called Skilled Cloud Manager, or you can buy it as a complete turnkey appliance that you can basically bolt onto an HPC cluster and literally put that into either a public or a private cloud. And that's become very popular.
So Tom, you mentioned public clouds and private clouds. I mean, physically, would that look any different from a machine standpoint?
It really doesn't. It's the same appliance. The real difference is whether you're using it internally to, say, service the needs of multiple departments within your organization, or whether you want to do it externally where you access it through the internet and you have your customers kind of out, in their environment, and that's more of a public approach. But really, it looks the same from a hardware standpoint.
Okay. And while we're talking about hardware, I mean, you guys are known for working with this Open Compute project, new form factors. What's that all about?
Well, we've actually been one of the leaders really in working with Facebook and other companies in terms of bringing an OCP product to market. And I think you'll see some great installations from Penguin in that area in the very near future. We've also taken the concepts of OCP and applied that to high-performance computing, and that's called our Tundra product. And Tundra is very interesting because you can have a very, very dense rack solution, up to 108 servers in a single rack, and you still have the benefits of OCP. So when you want to upgrade, your environment, you can pull out the sleds, change processors, change network, but all the other infrastructure in your investment stays the same.
Oh, terrific. Well, if you met somebody in an elevator and they're an enterprise guy, and they said, well, why Penguin? What would you tell them?
What I would tell Penguin now, because Penguin has actually grown quite a bit as a company in terms of the size of the revenue, the number of people, and reach, I would say that we really provide the capabilities of a tier one provider at actually a better price than they do, and we even provide better last mile service, because we are still a tier two size company, and we're very focused on customer support, very focused on providing the right product, working with from pre-sales and post-sales, and our customers tend to appreciate that.